Oh yes, yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh baby.
Hey y'all, today we will be doing a eyebrow tutorial. So first you want to grab your concealer of your choice. Next you will want to grab a pencil. I got brown because my eyebrows are not that dark to be using black. I also got a pencil sharpener and I have a brush to put the concealer around my eyebrows. If you have everything that you need, let's get started. So first we're going to start with our pencil and we're just going to shade it in a little bit. Oh, wait, hold on. Give me a minute. I need this mirror because I can't really see with my camera. So yeah. So what we're going to do is let me do it so I can let y'all see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to just fill it in just a little bit. Don't fill it in too dark because if you fill it in too dark, then it's not going to look right. So all we're doing is just basically filling it in just a little bit. I usually don't fill my eyebrows in that dark because they are kind of already thick, so that's really that. So yeah, you just fill in a little bit and make sure you get that tail together because you want it to be nice and pointy. You don't want it to be even. You want it to be nice and pointy. Okay, is that dark enough? I don't know. Okay, let me just go ahead and fill this one in. And yeah, so this should be enough. I didn't want to fill it in too dark. I want both of my eyebrows to look exactly the same, and that's what you really want to happen anyway. You want them to look exactly dark and both the same. And yeah, so all you gotta do is just keep filling it in to your. People like them dark. Some people like them light. I don't know how people like them. So if you want them dark, then you can do that. But other than that, no. I usually take this little thing that I form my eyebrows with. There's this little brush in order to get the front to look more fuller. So you just want to dry it off, take all the little wet stuff that's off of it. Take that off so it don't really mess up the color of your eyebrow. So then what you do is you just do it in the front of your eyebrow and you would just brush that up a little bit so it can look, blended. You don't want it to look bulky right there or you don't want it to look boxed. You just brush that up a little bit and it'll be cool. So once you're done with that and you brush them up, then you want to take your concealer, my nice CoverGirl concealer, and usually I use this for like the rest of my face, but I also use this for my eyebrow too. So put it on your hand. That's what I do personally because I don't like to make a mess. So I just put a little bit on my hand and then I take my brush that I'm concealing it with and I just grab a little bit and I start off to first. What you want to do is you want to start under your eyebrow. You don't want to do over or none of that because it's not really going to look right. So I'm going to take my mirror once again and I'm going to conceal going within the shape of how my eyebrow is arched at the bottom and at the top. So take that, put a little bit more concealer to make it look right. I use a lot of concealer, y'all, so don't doubt me on that. I use a lot of concealer. So yeah, so you're gonna take that and you're gonna go softly. Don't go too fast, but just like, it's like a work of art. You gotta look perfect. Okay, so now at this point, I had to get some more concealer because what was on my hand wasn't really enough. And I told y'all once in the beginning that I use a lot of concealer for my eyebrows. And it's so crazy because I use so much just to take it right off. But it's okay, that's what, stores take my money for anyway, for me to buy some, use it, come back, buy some more. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish off this eyebrow the same way we started the first one. Y'all, like, I'm not perfect with eyebrows. I just wanna note that. Because I'm not. Nobody is. But we got this. We can get this together. Because that's all that matters. Because it's brows over everything. And if it was a fire, let me do my brows first before I go outside. Because I can't be on the news looking like that. Nah, y'all, disregard that. But, yeah. So, let me just finish this all out. Okay, so once you're done putting your concealer on your eyebrows, now you need something to either blend it or wipe it off. Most of the time when people are done, they use sponges, but not me. I don't do that. What I'm going to use today is I'm going to use a handy dandy napkin. Because that's all it's need. You can use a napkin or you can use a makeup wipe. It really doesn't matter. Sometimes this case is to where, well, look, most people be like, oh, why you didn't do your whole face? This is an eyebrow tutorial, and maybe I just want to do my eyebrows for today. So this video is probably specifically for the people who just want to do their eyebrows today and go move along. Because sometimes you don't have to do the whole face. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just slightly wipe this off, not really taking so much of the concealer away, but making sure that it's still on there so it can look sharp. Because Lord knows I haven't had my eyebrows done in a while. I usually try to tweeze them and take the little hairs off under with a razor, but sometimes that just don't work. Probably just need a good old wax. But yeah, so all you gotta do is just take this off. Take it off slowly because you don't want to take everything off because then you'll be mad and you got to start all over. Then you got to watch the whole video over. Then you got to get all your supplies again. Maybe you would have ran out throughout the video, but now you got to. So this is the finishing look of my eyebrows once I got the concealer off. I know y'all, they look really nice. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back on one video.